Today we're going to a beach near the Dubrovnik Old Town. It's about 1.5 kilometres to get there, so that should get us nice and warm to go for a swim. Down there are the steps that we're going to try and find our way to and get down to that little beach there. Shouldn't be too hard. Almost there. If you don't want to walk 1.5k to the beach, you could splash out and stay at one of these hotels right above it. It'll be interesting to see how much they are. We'll have a look later. Right, I'm guessing those people know where they're going. Follow them. Yeah, the water's pretty clear. We were just up there in that gap there a minute ago. A few more steps down to go. That's a pretty nice spot. I'm guessing it pays to get here early before the crowds. We started our walk just before 8 o'clock. There's literally no one on the beach now. See how many are here when we leave, but I imagine from lunchtime it'll be packed. Beautiful.
Has to be after that walk, won't it?
Yeah, get pretty hot. Oh, we found a wee sea cave. Try and dog paddle one-handed into it. Entering the cave.
Oh, hi.
Yeah? Right, let's have a look. A couple of other people in here. Oh, it goes in quite a long way. Wow, this is cool. It's still too deep to stand up. Far enough, Sarah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we'll turn around. Right, and we're back out again. Well, almost. A few pigeons living in there.